Hello everyone and welcome in our today's video. In this video we'll be looking at how you can be able to install WordPress on Windows 11 step-by-step guide. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing, like and share this video, and it will help a lot in making sure that I create more content of this guide. So without wasting much time, let us get started. So for you to be able to install WordPress on your local machine, you need two things, that is XAMPP server and WordPress. So let's download them. So WordPress download, this one. So open the link that appears here, then click download WordPress. So this will start the process of downloading. Then the next thing that you need is XAMPP server. XAMPP server download, this one. So I'll leave the link in the description down below for this website, both of them. Then come here and download the latest version of XAMPP server. As for now, as I'm creating this video, the latest XAMPP server version is 8.2.4. That is the latest version. So click download. So you can be able to see down here that both of them are downloading. So after the downloads are done, open your downloads or the place that you selected during the downloads, and you'll be able to see both of them have been downloaded successfully. So to be able to start, first of all, we'll start by installing XAMPP server. So you double click on the installer. Let's minimize this. So XAMPP server will start, then click OK, then next, then next again. Leave everything as default, don't change anything. Next. So the language, you can select the language that you are more comfortable with. For me, I'll go with English. Next, then next again. So this installation process will take some time, so let's leave it as it is installing. Then let's go back to our downloads. So we have WordPress here. We need to extract, then click extract all. Then you can browse a different place that will need to extract, but for me I'll leave this as default to make my work easier. Then click extract all. Let's minimize that. So this process also may take a while. So the extraction of WordPress is done. You can be able to see we have a new folder inside here where we have several files in this folder, whereby you can be able to have a look at all these. So let's minimize this. Our XAMPP server is still taking time to install, so let's wait for XAMPP server also to finish installing. So the installation is almost done. It will ask you for access if you have Windows Defender activated. So just give it allow access or deny, depending on what you prefer. For me, I just allowed the access. So the installation of XAMPP server is done. Then click finish. So when you click finish, you'll be directed here to this panel, the XAMPP server panel. And here we have several things that you can be able to do. So for us, let's first of all start the Apache. Click start, and also MySQL. Click start. So after you are done with that, if it asks for access, just say allow access. So let's minimize this again. So let's close this one and have this one running. So after you have done that, open your local disk C, and down here, if you have done the installation of XAMPP server correctly, you will be able to see XAMPP server folder down here. If you open, you'll be able to see several files inside XAMPP server XAMPP server folder. So let's go back to our downloads. Then we WordPress and cut this WordPress folder that we extracted before. Then open local disk C, go to XAMPP server, then this folder which is written htd docs, open that, and now paste your WordPress folder that you have already copied. So I'll click paste and it will be pasted here. So after you have done that, so open your XAMPP server again, and here under my SQL, make sure it is running and click admin for my SQL. It will open this one, the website for localhost php my admin. Then on this side you'll be able to see the databases that are there. Then click add new, then give the database a name. I'll give Muga, then click create. So after you have done that, open a new tab and write localhost WordPress, then click enter. If you have done the installation correctly up to that point, this is what you'll be able to see when you click when you type this URL. You are supposed now to set up your WordPress installation process. Then select the language and click continue. For me, I'll just leave English, United States. Click next. Then let's go down here, just click let's go. So here we will enter the database name that we created here, which is Muga. So I'll type that there. Then the name of the database, you can just leave it at root. Then everything else you can leave it as default. Then click submit. Then run the installation. So this installation may take time depending on how fast your machine is. After you click that, it will ask you for some few more information. The site name, for me I'll write Muga Tech. Then user, you can write just root. For me, I prefer that. Then the password, you can write any password. For me, I'll just go with the Muga. Then write your email address. So I leave my email, georgemutembei9@gmail.com. So my email has an error. There is an I there. Then after you are done with that, you can enable for it to be visible on the search engines or disable. Also, you can confirm that you want to use a weak password, because if you don't use a strong password, it will not allow you to proceed. So for me, I'll allow to use just this password. Then click install WordPress. So this will take some few minutes to be done. Then click login. So after you have clicked login, enter your password and the username. Then click login. So that's wrong. So I'll write again my password. Sorry, my username is root. Then the password is Muga. Then click login. So after you have logged in, this is what you'll be able to see. Basically, this means that your WordPress account local installation has been done successfully, and sorry for that. your localhost installation has been done successfully. On the top here, you can click where it is written Mugatech, or the name of the website that you gave, then click visit the site. After you click visit the site, you'll be able to see just the dummy website that was created during the installation process. So in case you need maybe to edit this website, you can click here where it is written edit the site, and from here you can be able to do the editing of the site, or you can just go back here where you can be able to write to create more pages, appearances, to install themes, plugins and all that. And basically this is how you can be able to install WordPress on your local machine or your local PC on Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Please make sure you subscribe, like and share, and the links that I've used in this video will be available in the description down below. Thank you so much for your time. See you in the next one.